Today I want to show you this amazing RGB and BiColor LED from Viltrox called the RB10. The first thing I want to say is it's tremendous value for money. At $39.99 here in the UK, it comes with the light, a removable diffuser, MP style battery with a USB charger, and a cold shoe mount. It's such an amazing deal and this light is super bright. I wanted to try out RGB lighting for quite some time, but other well-known ones are usually quite expensive until I found this one on Amazon. I won't bore you with the specs, but here are some of the key points. As mentioned, it's a LED light, but what's interesting to me is that it has separate sets of LEDs for the RGB and BiColor modes, 36 BiColor LEDs and 24 RGB in total. There's no built-in battery, which is something I prefer. This means I can easily replace it down the line or use a larger battery if I wanted to. Instead of USB power, you can power it via the DC in jack. You can also link other units together to form a wider panel via these connecting points on either side. However, it doesn't power it in any way, so each light will have to have its own power source. The control panel is backlit, which is great, and it also remembers the last setting when you switch it off. To change between RGB and BiColor mode, you have to long press on the control knob. When in RGB mode, you can't control the brightness unfortunately, but you can change the RGB color by turning the dial left or right. Or you can put it in cycle mode by pressing the control knob once. You can then turn the knob to control the cycle speed. In BiColor mode, turning the knob will control the brightness from 100 to 20%. That's the lowest it will go. Clicking the wheel once will go into the Kelvin menu, ranging from 2500 to 8500. Here are some examples on what you can use the light for. You can mount it on a camera as a direct front-end gun light with the included cold shoe mount, or you can use it as a rim or hair light. You might have noticed my standing lamp in the background, but it's actually just a lamp shade on a light stand with the LED light inside as a practical. I have also tried to accent some product shots using the RGB mode. I like the fact that you can easily change and quickly dial in the color you want, or you can use it to add some color and separation to your background, plus many more. With the included 22 mAh battery, I managed to get around 2 hours of runtime depending on the setting, and charging the battery takes around 4.5 hours. Okay, let's talk about the pros and cons. It's super amazing value for what you get. It literally comes with everything out of the box. It's super bright, easy to use, and small enough to use in so many different places. The only thing that I might knock it for is it's quite cheap, the plastic feel, the casing, and the other biggie might be the exposed LED chips. But the included diffuser should offer some protection. In conclusion, I absolutely love this light. I still can't believe how affordable it is and how much light this thing kicks out. If you're in the market to try some RGB, I think you can have some great result and lots of fun with this light. It's not as well built or as compact as some other competitors, but at nearly a third of the price, I think this is totally acceptable. Okay, that's it for today's video. My name is Joe, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.